In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any product image for free without Photoshop. So right here we have a picture of a cappuccino, and I'm going to show you how you can remove the background, and so we can get it looking something like this with a blank background. So I'm not going to waste your time here. What you need to do is you need to go to remove.bg, and it's going to take you to this website which will remove the background of any photo 100% automatically and completely free. So what you need to do is you need to click upload image or drag in your image to this service. So I'm going to choose this one here, and what it's going to do is it's going to scan the image and find the background, and it should do a pretty good job of removing most of the background in most pictures. So you can see now the background has now been removed. If we wanted to touch it up, we could click on this button here and we could edit it, but I think for a free service this one looks pretty good. Now what you can do is you can go and download the preview image size, or you can go and download the high resolution version. If you want to download the high res version though, usually you have to pay, but if you go and sign up for a free account, they are going to let you download one picture completely for free. So you can sign up for free here. You can then go and enter in your email, password and all of that. Click sign up and they're going to let you download the image in full resolution that you uploaded it in. I think for a free program this is very good, and it's great if you don't have Photoshop.